What is up, guys? Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your American Express, Visa, or whatever gift card to purchase something on Amazon if that item is more expensive than the actual card you have. Now, if you want to buy something that's $25 and you have a $25 card, then by all means just add that card to your Amazon account and buy it. You're totally good. But if you want to buy something that's $50 and you only have a $25 card, and this is what you're going to have to do that little workaround. You're going to want to go to the Amazon e-gift card page, and I will put this link in the description. And you can select any style, doesn't matter, an amount. You want to select the same amount as your gift card. So let's say you have a $25 gift card, and then you put in an email, and that's mine, but we'll just type in some random stuff. And then you just fill this out, and you basically just send it to yourself. So you want to put in your own email, or your friend's email, wherever you want to receive it, and then you're essentially going to buy an e-gift card with your Visa gift card. There's no fee, so whatever you see here is what you're going to pay, and you'll buy it with that, and it will convert it to an Amazon gift credit. So once you do that, you make sure you have the right email, and the rest of this doesn't really matter, and you make sure the delivery date is now. You can add it to cart and buy it, or buy now. Make sure you use your Visa gift card to pay, and then it will be sent to your email. And you can just go back to Amazon. After that, go to your account, gift cards, and you can, not reload, you can redeem a gift card right there. Make sure you sign into your account, and you can just claim it right here, and that $25 Amex gift card will now be Amazon credit that you can use as part of your purchase. Anyways, guys, if this video helped you, please leave a like or a comment. And if it really helped you guys, please consider donating to me on Patreon. It would really mean a lot. Anyways, guys, have a great day.